How to realistically start an online business and grow in 2022. What I'll be explaining in this video will be purely evergreen. That is, it will work even beyond 2022. The reason for this video is because many people have been facing difficulties after the pandemic and inflation. Many are struggling to make both ends meet, and many even lost their jobs as many businesses have been closed. But strangely, there has been many people who were able to embrace the online world, grow an online business, and are making a living online from the comfort of their own home. So by the end of this video, you will discover the types of online businesses you can get started with. You will also get the complete guide on what to do to start an online business, as well as the necessary tools needed to make it a success. Hey everybody, if you're new to my video, my name is Joyce Mitu and I was an ex-mechanical engineer and now full-time online entrepreneur. And in this channel, I do videos that help people make money online while running an online business, specifically with affiliate marketing. And if achieving a life of financial freedom and time freedom interests you, do subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out and motivates me to create more content like this. So without any further ado, let's get started with the types of online businesses you can get started with. We all know that to make money, we need to be selling something. And this can be a product or a service. First, let's talk about selling a service. You can get started with the most easiest and doable service business, and that's becoming a freelancer or a virtual assistant, meaning you can leverage your skills and monetize them while helping people who need those skills of yours. Those skills can be being a social media manager, ads manager, graphic designer, data entry, or leverage any skills you have. You can use platforms such as Fiverr or freelancer.com, and you can have a general idea of the skills you want to monetize on platforms like these. But guys, there are advantages and disadvantages to them. Some advantages are that you get to work when you want, and the better is your work, the higher you can charge people. And a potential disadvantage can be, it can take you time to get your first few clients. But a solution to this is you need to advertise and market your service and yourself. And I'll talk about how people can market themselves in a few minutes. And furthermore, you can employ freelancers or virtual assistants and build an agency where you can do the work of other people in bulk. Now, the second online business that comes with selling are selling products. Okay, there are two types of products that you can sell. One are physical products, and the second one are selling digital products. With physical products, you can start an e-commerce business or a dropshipping one. And with e-commerce though, you will need an inventory where you need to store your physical products. While with dropshipping, all you need is an online store and you're directly delivering products to your clients' addresses without the need of an inventory. You can choose to do Amazon FBA or do online flipping where you buy cheap products in bulk and then sell them at a slightly higher price, enough to make profits. Now, coming to digital products, all you need to do is create digital products like video tutorials where you share your secrets, techniques, and strategies that are getting you results, and you can sell them to people who want the same or similar result as you. Let me now give you a few examples of digital products that can be created, okay? They can be courses about how to become a great woodcutter, how to cook vegan dishes, how to have a keto diet, how to live a happy married life, how to make your first 4 figures as an affiliate on Facebook. And there are a lot of things you can create digital products on and sell to people who need them. In my case, my business partner and I are selling digital course on cryptocurrency, on how to do futures, and selling a service of providing trading signals. In fact, we just started selling this after getting massive results ourselves, and we have nearly made $2,000 just from selling our knowledge. And the strategy we are using, which I'll be sharing in a few minutes, is social media marketing. This is free marketing, by the way. Next online business you can do, and it's by far the most lucrative and easiest one that you can start online, is affiliate marketing. That's what I started with, that's what I'm doing, that's why I will keep doing. Affiliate marketing is simply you recommending your target audience a product that will help them achieve the results they are looking for, and when they buy, you get a cut out of the sales being made, and it is known as affiliate commission. In affiliate marketing, there's literally no product creation, no handling of customers, no product delivery, as everything is being taken care of the creator of the product you're promoting or recommending. And in that too, you can promote physical or digital products. However, with physical products, you will be getting a small amount of affiliate commission, while with digital products, you get higher amount of affiliate commission. An example is being an affiliate of Amazon. You can get up to 10% of affiliate commissions, while with digital products, you can get 40% to 60% and even 100% of affiliate commissions, okay? And that's all because of the low overhead cost when it comes to digital products. Another example is an affiliate marketing course that I'm recommending to people who want to succeed in affiliate marketing. It gives affiliate commissions of 50% and up to 75%, which is over $1,000, guys. And that's a complete game changer, and it's incredible. If building an affiliate marketing business is something that interests you, and if you want to make affiliate commissions like these people, then I would highly recommend you to access my #1 recommendation in the description of this video. Now, let me share with you what you need to do to get started with the online businesses that I mentioned. But before that, if you have been enjoying so far, give this video a like, as this will mean a lot to me and it will help in the YouTube algorithm. So back to what you need to do. First of all you need to do is determine your niche, business idea, and target market. I actually did a training on niche selection. You can check it out here for free. But to be short, your niche and business idea, #1, they need to satisfy your target audience's problems and provide a sort of unique solution. #2, your target audience should be able to pay and willing to pay for your product or service. And to determine your target audience, you need to know about their needs, wants, and preferences. If you want to run ads, then demographics, psychographics, and their interest will matter a lot. Next thing to do is a product research. Choose what you will be selling or promoting to your target audience. Will it be a physical product or digital product, or will it be a service that you will be creating? Also, research about the source products. That is, will you be providing any services, and in what will it be? Will you be creating your own physical or digital products, or will you be leveraging other people's product? That is doing e-commerce, dropshipping, or affiliate marketing. Quick thing, my advice on this will always start with affiliate marketing if you have no idea on what type of online business you want to get started with. This is how I got started, and I made my first thousands of dollars online. Next is for you to learn about online business laws. Even if online businesses require lesser licenses and permits compared to brick and mortar businesses, you will need to find out about the kind of business licenses you will need for your operations, the legal structure that makes most sense. That is, whether it is going to be a limited liability company or a corporation or a sole proprietorship. Then the permits you will need to acquire, the inspections you need to pass, if sales tax licenses are applicable to you or not, and the laws regarding to hiring of contractors and employees. Each state and country has their own laws, so always verify information with local authorities and seek professional legal help if you can afford to. Next is to do a thorough market research. This helps in determining the depth, competitiveness, and profitability of the selected business, because the last thing you want to do is launch an offer that no one is keen on buying. Also, market research helps validate your product idea, pricing, and demand. Doing this will help you get the content you will be creating to rank on search engines. So do research the contents that are being ranked on search engines, research your competitors, and see what they are up to. And look for the high performing keywords that are being used in your niche and especially by your competitors. Next is to define your brand and image. Remember this, your brand is what will grow your business even when you're selling things or promoting things as an affiliate. It might not be important at first if you are an affiliate, but with time, you need to brand yourself, and this will grow an audience and attract people towards you. When you're working on your brand, pay attention to your logos, colors, typography, pictures, graphics, and page layouts. Next is to choose your marketing style. Whether you're selling or promoting something, you need to market it. So you need to decide if you're going to use ads or are you going to leverage free strategies like blogging, YouTube videos, and evergreen content on social media platforms, that is social media marketing. With ads, you will require a budget to buy yourself good tools and set up your system. Okay, even though this will require you little time, you will require money to do that. But with free strategies, it will require you time, a lot of time, to get good traction of your content. I always recommend people to actually use their first social media because they already have traction over those platforms and a video platform like YouTube or TikTok. Okay, now comes for you to start publishing contents and drive traffic to your online business. Publishing content is similar to telling people online that you exist. You can do blogging, social media marketing, and even outsource freelance experts to do that for you, but it's better for you to actually know it yourself. If I had to advise you on your content marketing, and yes, you guessed it right, it would be to get started with videos. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner online or if you suck or you're a complete noob or you simply want to scale up your business. Videos play a major role in your marketing. Even if you suck at the beginning, with practice, you will suck less and less until you become good at it. As a matter of fact, I participated in a 21-day video challenge that completely changed my marketing strategies. So I want to recommend that to you. You can get access to that challenge from this link or get the link in the description of this video, okay? And now what remains is the tools that you will require for your business. Remember, these tools are assets that will bring money for your business. And of course, you will require to invest in those assets. So first and foremost, you need to be professional when having an online business, meaning you need to get yourself a domain name. Your domain name represents you and your brand. It can cost you around $10 to $20 per year. I have done a thorough video on how to get cheap domain names, and you can watch this video here. The next thing you will require is web hosting. This is something important, okay, as you will need to store your web files and make your website available on the internet. Hosting usually costs around $71.40 per year. And that's the minimum unless you want security and extra package, it can cost more. I currently have hosting on Bluehost, and here is the screenshot of what I pay. I did a video on how to proceed with getting a website with Bluehost that you can watch here. Next is getting a funnel builder. This will help you build pages like these. First, to capture leads, okay? And secondly, to bridge any gaps that exist between your customers, you and your offer, and sell your offers and make your business more profitable by increasing your average cart value. What I usually recommend people to use is ClickFunnels. It's the best one out there and it really decreases your learning curve. I have tried many in the past and nothing can be compared to ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels is not just a software or tool, but a community that will help you in your journey. ClickFunnels has a 14-day trial and it is $97 per month. And guys, if you're really interested in having an online business where you are selling your experience, knowledge, or information, then I would invite you to watch a free training class here, as this will massively get you on the right track with the right people and save you tons of money and time. You can also join a challenge called the One Funnel Away Challenge, and this is the challenge I actually joined myself, and it was life-changing for me, as this is what helped me to set up my funnels and sell my digital course and services online. This challenge costs $100, and you can check out my video here if you want to know more about it, or directly access it from this link. And all the links that I'm telling you are available in the description of this video. The next thing you will need is an email autoresponder or email automation software. This software helps you build a list of people whose email addresses you have captured, and you can keep in touch with them through emails. And guys, it doesn't matter if you're selling stuff or being an affiliate. You will actually need this software, this tool, because you will be building an ecosystem of offers and products and sending them emails for them to buy from you, okay? Because statistics shows that not everyone buys on the first encounter. The reasons are maybe they require time to think, they might need permission from their partners, or simply they keep asking themselves if they can do it or not. There is actually a course named the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 3-day challenge and it teaches about developing your own stacking ecosystem. And this has been a game changer for me. So definitely check it out if you want to become knowledgeable and save yourself a lot of time and money. So like I was saying, this software will allow you to send them emails to build a know, like, and trust factor and help your subscribers to know you more and learn more from you. And what I recommend is ActiveCampaign because of its robust automation and cheap price. It comes with a 14-day trial and a $15 per month depending on the list of your subscribers. Now, since this software will be used to send emails, you'll also require a place to receive emails being sent to you. So for that, I recommend Google Workspace. This asset will cost you $6 per month, and this asset will be massive for you because you will be directly seeing the responses of your subscribers. And guys, there are other things that you might require, but they are secondary items, like tools to track links, Facebook tools if you're going to use Facebook for your marketing, SEO tools for search engines like Google or YouTube, and so many more, guys. So I have tried my best to keep this video to the point while sharing what I did and what I am currently doing. And if you want to model me or get my help, you can always add me on Facebook and join my free Facebook group. This is where I share my strategies and techniques I'm using for my business, for my online business. And I'll mention this again. If you want to start an online business and be among the people who are earning money like these, then get access to my #1 recommendation, which is a 3-day challenge, and it costs $7 to get started. And guys, I really hope you got value from this video. And if you did, make sure to actually give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on how to start and grow an online business and make money online. And guys, I would like to end this video with a favorite quote of mine, and it is, if you want to be the best, you first need to be good at it. And to be good at something, you need to allow yourself to be bad first. And to be bad at something, you need to get started. So I have left everything you need to get started with in the description of this video, okay? All you need to do is take action and get started, okay? This is Joyce Smithy signing out. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.